2 deaths have been blamed on flooding in central Texas this week. Llano County Judge Mary Cunningham.
Keep an eye out for floodwater as you're driving around. Your safety is our primary concern, and so if you don't have to leave home, don't. Stay home, stay safe.
Emergency Management Coordinator Ron Johnson.
We are still asking that residents do not try to return to their homes if they evacuated from them. The reason for that right now is because we really are not sure if this disaster has fully unfolded.